How to add name servers in Cloudflare. So if you want to add name servers in Cloudflare, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your browser and then search for Cloudflare and make sure that you've logged into your account. And once you've logged into your Cloudflare, you need to just simply go with the option of enter an existing domain right here or register a new domain. You need to just simply click on it and then add address. Once done, you need to scroll down and then go with continue, which will be on the bottom. Once done, you need to go and select your package like Pro, Business, Enterprise, or you can also go with the free version. I'll just simply go and select the free plan. Once done, you need to scroll down and you need to review your DNS records. Cloudflare will scan your existing DNS records, so make sure all AC, CNAME, MX, and TXT records are correct. Add any missing records manually. Then click on continue, which will be on the bottom. Now, the third step is to get Cloudflare name servers. Cloudflare will provide 2 name servers like these 2. In my case, I have these 2 name servers. You can copy them carefully. And the fourth step is to update your name servers. You need to add your domain register. So you need to log into your domain register and then go to the DNS or name servers section and replace the existing name servers with the Cloudflare ones. And you need to save your changes. After that, you need to wait for the propagation. DNS changes may take anywhere from a few minutes up to 48 hours. So once done, your Cloudflare dashboard will show active, and that's it. Your domain is now connected to Cloudflare, which is ready for enhanced DNS management, security, and performance. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.